Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're taking a look at a powerhouse in the SUV world, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. This beast returns with even more muscle, attitude, and refinement, redefining what it means to blend family practicality with pure performance. Let's dive into what makes the new Durango SRT Hellcat one of the most thrilling SUVs of 2026. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat maintains its aggressive stance but now wears a sharper, more aerodynamic look. Dodge has enhanced the front fascia with a larger air intake and a new hood design that improves cooling for the supercharged engine. The wide-body proportions give it an intimidating road presence, while new LED lighting and redesigned 20-inch wheels add a modern touch. Inside, premium materials, SRT performance seats, and red contrast stitching create a cabin that feels both luxurious and race-ready. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood lies the heart of the monster, a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 delivering an astounding 710 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The suspension has been recalibrated for improved handling, while Brembo brakes ensure confident stopping power. Whether on the drag strip or the open highway, the Durango SRT Hellcat delivers spine-tingling performance with everyday usability. Safety and technology. The 2026 model packs the latest in tech and safety features. A 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen takes center stage, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new performance telemetry system. Advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring provide peace of mind. A premium Harman Kardon audio setup and enhanced cabin insulation elevate the in-car experience, making long drives just as enjoyable as high-speed runs. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is the ultimate blend of raw power, modern design, and advanced technology. It's a family SUV that roars like a supercar and handles like one too. For drivers who crave performance without compromise, this Durango remains unmatched. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and insights into the most exciting vehicles on the road.